Hello there, I'm Jimmy Vegas and you've caught me about to start playing Super Mario Maker 2 on the Switch. You probably guessed that this video has absolutely nothing to do with game development. Is it clickbait? Is it not? I don't know, because the title does say that it is nothing to do with development, and it is literally nothing to do with development. So if you're here expecting development, there is none. I don't really know what to say. This is just a video, just for the sake of being a video. But the funny thing is, I guarantee that by the time you watch this video more than likely will have more views than any of my previous uploads in the past, let's say, week or so. And if anyone tries to be funny and go back onto those videos and trying to inflate those views, don't bother, because I know this video is more than likely going to have more views than other videos. Why? I don't know, because it literally has nothing to do with game development. Why are you here? You should be learning other things on my channel. Right, well, I'm going to go play Mario Maker 2 now. Bye.